This episode of Ties I Help is brought to you by JackThreads. What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite must-have apps on the iPhone 4S. There's my dog in the background. Let's get started. So it's been a while since I've done a video on some apps on my iPhone, so I thought I would do another one of these. I'm going to be calling it Ty's iPhone apps instead of like my favorite iPhone apps like I used to in the past, just because I can do episodes, numbers, and stuff like that. You can keep up with it, and I'll do these like every month. If you like them, let me know in the comments. Anyways, let's get started. Again, this is going to be my must-have apps on the iPhone. These are the ones I use the most and are my favorites. So the first app is Evernote. If you have not downloaded this app, I don't see how you are keeping your life organized or taking notes at all, because this is by far the best way to do it. And Evernote is exactly that. It's a note-taking application. You can do audio, video, text, links, location, tags, just all kinds of different forms of notes, so you can keep everything organized. You can actually search through all of your notes in case you wrote something down like a year ago. You can just type it in the search field and you can find it. It's pretty awesome. There's also notebooks, so you can keep everything organized, and in each notebook you have different notepads where you have all the notes and everything in there. It's just amazing. I've been using this especially for my videos. This is really helpful because I can type something out on my computer or my iPad and then look at it on my iPhone, so it actually does sync across all of your devices. You can also share it to others, like if you want to make a shared notebook, so you can work on a notebook with somebody else, like maybe you're taking notes together or working on a project together. Evernote is just amazing. It's kept my life so much more organized, not just for videos and work and stuff like that, but just for everything, like just going to the grocery store and making a quick list. Like I can type it up on my computer and it's already on my iPhone. It syncs automatically. I love it. Next up is Spotify, which is my most used app on my iPhone. I use this every single day. It's a music streaming service. If you want the mobile version, if you want it on your iPhone, you do actually have to have the top level account, which is I think $9–10 a month, but it's definitely worth it to me at least. It lets you stream music to your phone. Also, if you want to download the free computer client, you can have like 6 free months of music streaming. You don't have to do anything. You just download Spotify, you make playlists, you organize everything, and you can play it on there. The iPhone app is really nice because you can stream music over the internet, which does use your data if you're on 3G, or if you're on Wi-Fi, you can actually sync it up to your computer, the Spotify app on your computer, and you can sync certain playlists or certain songs to play offline, so you don't actually have to be connected to the internet. So it actually saves a local copy on your phone, and it's so easy. I love it. I love having different playlists, and just if some new song comes out, I don't have to go buy it in iTunes. I'm already subscribed. I just search for it in Spotify and I start playing it. It's that easy. You don't have to download it. It just starts playing instantly, streaming. Now, if you're somebody that doesn't buy a lot of albums like me, Spotify may not be worth it. I just buy Spotify for the convenience. I don't feel like syncing my phone up to iTunes. Yes, they do have wireless sync now, but Spotify, it's just so much easier. I get everything synced up across all my devices and I can start playing it whenever I want to and not have to download. If you're skeptical of Spotify, just download the computer app and try it out. I'm telling you, I'll link you below. You'll love it. It just started raining really loud outside. Sorry if you can hear that. It's annoying. Next up is Flipboard for iPhone, which I can't actually use right now. It just came out a day or two ago, and since so many people are downloading it, it's crashing their servers. So I'll just be showing you the video demo that they have up on their YouTube channel. Flipboard is basically a way to browse your news in a really, really amazing, beautiful layout. You flip through pages, hence the name Flipboard. I've used this on my iPad. I love it. You should definitely check it out. It just makes for a nice way to read Twitter news, Facebook, as well as all the categories and sites and RSS feeds that they have on there. I just love it. I love the layout and how they do Flipboard. It's just beautiful, if I could explain it in one word. I personally hate reading RSS feeds and blogs, but the Flipboard on the iPad makes it for an amazing way to browse all of that, and I'm guessing the iPhone app is just as good. It's already in my favorites and I haven't even got to actually use it. That's how amazing Flipboard is for the iPad. I know it's going to be good for the iPhone. Sorry I can't actually show you me using this at the time I'm recording this video, but hopefully by the time this is posted, they should have their app and servers up and working perfectly. Next up is an app I'm sure you guys are going to love, or at least love their website. If you love tech stuff, which I'm assuming you do if you're watching this video. It's called Twit. Their website is twit.tv. If you don't want to download that because it is $1. I do at least recommend you check out their website. It's amazing. It's basically a podcast network of podcasts that talk about technology and technology related things. My favorite podcasts on their network are This Week in Tech, This Week in Google, and Mac Break Weekly. They do have a live feed of all their shows going like 24/7, which runs on their website, and also you can do it on the iPhone app. But if you want to listen to the archive shows, you can browse through all of their shows in video or audio form. So if you want to listen to it in the car, which is normally what I do, you can actually listen to just audio. But if you want to watch it, you can still watch it on your device with the video feed. If you're one of those people that think you wouldn't like to sit there and listen to some people talk, just check out This Week in Tech. Just give it a shot. I'm telling you, you'll love it. If you love these kind of videos, you will love it. The next app is Audible, and I'm not saying this because they are a sponsor, but because they are awesome. I love their iPhone app. Audible is a website where you can download audiobooks, which may sound stupid to you guys. You may not want to listen to an audiobook, but I'm telling you, it's kind of like how the difference of a movie and a book is. If you're one of those people that like the books more than movies, it's kind of like you get to have somebody read to you and experience everything that a book will give you, but you can be doing stuff while you're listening. I freaking love it. And there's awesome features in the Audible app. One of the features is you can actually speed it up. You can do it 1/2 the speed, so if you're somebody who can't comprehend it fast or you just can't keep up with what they're saying, you can do it on half speed. You can do it on regular speed. You can do it on 1.5 speed, which will speed it up and you'll get through the books faster, or 2 times speed, which is normally what I run on if I'm listening to like a self-help book, or 3 times speed, which is almost incomprehensible, but you can do it. So you can actually get through like a book that would take 24 hours to get through if you're running on half speed. You can get through a book in 12 hours, which 12 hours may seem like a lot for reading a book, but once you start doing it, you're going to love it. I'm telling you. They also have a new feature called sleep mode, so it'll actually stop playing the audiobook in case you fall asleep while listening to it like you're laying in bed. You can set it for 15, 30, 45, 60 minutes, or you can set it to end at the end of the chapter or the end of the book part. It's awesome. I love this feature. You can skip through a chapter, fast forward, do all that kind of thing, scrub through the audio. There's a button that if you tap it, you'll go 30 seconds back in the audiobook, so maybe you missed something, you can listen to it again. There's also a little feature which is really good riding in the car, where if you tap it, you can actually swipe left to rewind 30 seconds, just like I said before, or you can swipe right to forward 30 seconds, and then you can swipe vertically to add a bookmark. So you can actually use that maybe when you're riding down in the car, so you don't have to look at your phone. You can actually just touch it and swipe, so you don't have to do anything. So yeah, I use this in my car all the time. It's awesome. I love listening to audiobooks while I'm on a road trip or just on a long car ride. So there you go. There's something else awesome for you to check out. I'm not even saying it because they are a sponsor. I love Audible. And finally, the last app up is Messenger for Facebook. I personally hate Facebook, but I do stay in touch with my friends on Facebook, and Messenger is an easy way to message back and forth. It does have push notifications, so you can get all your notifications in case you're not on. It's nice, and it's basically like Facebook chat on your iPhone in its individual app. I actually think they pulled the Facebook chat out of the Facebook app, so you actually do have to use this if you want to chat. Maybe I'm wrong about that, but I like it, and it's just one of the apps I use every day. So if you haven't downloaded Facebook Messenger, that may be a cool app so you can stay in touch with your friends. If your friends are getting annoying, there is a little settings button up in the top left that you can tap, and you can turn alerts off for an hour, or you can turn alerts off till 8 a.m. There's not much in the app. I just wanted to tell you because it is one of the apps I use the most. It is one of my favorite apps just because it's the way I stay in touch with my friends over Facebook. And yeah, that's about it. Let's take one last look at our sponsor for this video, Jack Threads. Only suckers pay full price. You're not a sucker, right? If you love premium brands like Kid Robot, Hurley, and Stussy, but hate wasting all your cash on them, listen up. You can score these premium brands at up to 80% off every single day. There is a waiting list to join, but if you go to jackthreads.com/Ty right now, you'll get instant access to all these killer hookups and deals. So go now, jackthreads.com/Ty. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Let me and everybody else know in the comments down below what are your favorite or most used applications on your iPhone. At least leave us a list of top 5 because that'll help you guys out to find some new apps, as well as help me out to do another one of these videos and get some cool apps on my iPhone. Links to all the apps and websites that I mentioned in this video in the description below, so make sure you check that out if you want to download any of these. And that's about it. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.